Today I will show you how to make S-Bubble logo in Illustrator. Then go to Line Segment tool and hold the Shift and Out button, drag the mouse to make a line. Now add a color to line. Now go to Stroke and change the arrowhead to bubbles. Now go to Effect panel, go to Distort and Transform, select Transform, and then follow my settings. Now get the Text tool and type the S letter and change the fonts and size. Now fit the text to entire bubble. Now select all and right-click the mouse and select Make Clipping Mask. If you want, change the colors and check the look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and comment your ideas. See you next video.